Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So before we get into today's video, I would like to give a special shout out to Nadula Hair for sponsoring this portion of today's video. So this is a 13x4 HD lace. It's 150% density and it's their Jerry curl in 24 inches. So of course I dyed the unit, I washed the unit. So I'm gonna go ahead and dye this one. I'm gonna use the Revlon Color Silk. I've used this one before, but y'all know I like to use the texture and tone, but they didn't have any. So I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna try to use one box because that's all I have. So I'm excited about this, and it has like the baby hairs. It's pre-plucked for you. So yeah, let's get this started. Okay, so here's the hair, and I think the one box worked. So a lot of you guys always ask me how I prevent the dye from getting on my lace, and girl, sometimes it gets on the lace, okay, but this time I was extra careful, so you guys can see that I don't really have any of the black dye on the lace. So I'm gonna just let this sit for probably about an hour. And I installed the unit and it is so pretty. Look at the curls. The curls are so pretty. This is a really natural curl. I really love the Jerry curl, and let me show you guys this lace. Look at the lace. The unit did come pre-plucked. I did not dye my lace. I usually just put a little bit of foundation on it. Y'all know the drill. So yeah, I love the way that this hair looks. It's so cute. It just looks so natural to me. I really like it. Look at the back. So I'll have all the links to this hair in the description box along with the discount code down below. Good morning, y'all. Today is Saturday. What time is it, honey? 6:26. We're getting ready to go walk on the beach this morning. Get us a little exercise. You want to run, Tony, or we gonna walk?
What'd you say?
You want to run or we gonna walk?
I'm walking, right?
Yeah, so we're about to get our workout on early this morning before it get too hot. So we're at the beach. Y'all know they still building the pier. It's taking them a long time. swimming race out here. It's over now. Sun's starting to come out. Y'all, this is a workout walking through this sand. Oh. I just met one of you guys on the beach. Hey girl. Sweating. I'm tired. Okay, y'all. So it's early in the morning. I really don't feel like going to the gym, but I'm gonna go anyway. Do my cardio. I'm gonna wear my waistband today. This is just like a sweatband. So this is how it looks. It makes your stomach sweat so much, and it also is high enough to get like on some of my little back fat. This is a Jillian Michaels. Is it Jillian? Yeah, this is Jillian Michaels sweatband. I found it at TJ Maxx. So I just put it on like this. So I just put it on like this. Right here. Pull down enough. Okay. And then it goes up pretty high, so this part of your back will sweat too. So yeah, I'm gonna do the elliptical for like 45 minutes. I'll see y'all in the gym. My face is like red. Oh, okay, let me show y'all how good this sweatband works. Let's see. Look at this. Soaked. This thing works so good. All right, y'all can see how bad I'm sweating now that I have my camera. Whew, y'all, I feel so good. I didn't have my headphones because my son always uses them and I don't know where he put them because he lost his during the summer break. So he's been using mine, which I don't mind because I only use mine when I go to the gym. So he was asleep, so I just let him sleep. I didn't worry about it too much, but I want to use my husband's. This is what he uses when he goes to the gym, and they get really loud, but for some reason they won't connect to my phone. This is the Sony set. And I've been trying to do it for over a year. Like when I just get in the mood to, you know, really work out hard, having some loud music pumping in your ear always does the trick for me. But for some reason, I cannot get these things to connect to my phone. I don't understand what it is. But so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna probably make myself some lemon water, and then I'll drink a coffee. Then I gotta try to get some of this sponsored content working. Y'all see those boxes back there. I have boxes on the table. So I have a lot of stuff to do. So yeah, what am I eating today? Oh, and then I'll probably try to plan out my meal for today. I did a vegetable stir fry again yesterday, and I have some of that left over. I just did like some chicken breast in it. I bought what is that? Let me show y'all. I've had it for a while and I just never used it. So I got this one right here just to like measure out my meats and stuff. because I was saying I was going to stick to like a certain portion size. But then I'm just like, you know what, I'm not gonna do that, because I want to still be able to enjoy my food but try to keep it on the healthier side. So, but we're not gonna get all into that, because I don't like having that type of discussion, because like I said, y'all know how it is. Y'all know how I am about everybody chiming in and trying to tell you, oh, you're doing this wrong, you're doing that wrong. I want to do it on my own pace, the way I want to do it, what works for me. So that's what I'm doing. Just know that your girl gonna be snatched, honey, because when I break this down, y'all see what's up under all this, y'all gonna be like, oh, okay. Yeah, oh, okay. Hey, y'all. Today is Monday, and I'm getting ready to meet my friend for lunch. I am right on time. So, oh, I did cut this unit to a little short curly bob. It's bob season for me, so I like it. I think it looks really good. Let me show y'all what I'm wearing. Okay, so this is the dress that I'm wearing. It's a little on the short side, but it's not that bad. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing, and then I'm just gonna take my Chanel. I'm gonna wear it like this. Crossbody today. I think this look really cute. This dress is from Nasty Gal. This is another recommendation from Jeronica, and I've had it for a while. I showed y'all this dress. I also have it in white. Super cute. This is like my second time wearing this dress. I love it. It's so cute, and I'll probably just wear like some cute little flats with this. So I'm not gonna do any heels, but I'm gonna try to get a picture for Instagram really quick. So yeah, I'm not too sure if I'll be doing any vlogging in there, because you know everybody don't like being on YouTube. So, and I don't like throwing the camera in everybody's face, especially if I haven't seen them in a while. So it's been a little minute, so I'm gonna just chill, have us some lunch, and I'll see y'all later. Okay, y'all, so I'm back, and I just picked up a package, some shoes that I ordered from Semi Shoes. 3 pair. The boxes are so small. The boxes are so small. So this is these right here. I just thought that these were so cute. So I got them. I bought 3 pair, just different colors. And this is a size 9, a UK 7. So this is the hot pink. And of course I'm gonna try these on for y'all so y'all can see how they look. And then I bought the blue. So they look like this. So cute. I'm sitting on my floor in my room, and this box looks like it got wet. And then I bought the cream. This was the pair that I went on the site for, the cream ones, and then I saw the blue and the pink, so I grabbed those too. So I'm gonna try these on for y'all.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ay, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation.